Okay guys, so today we are going to pick up the couch. I'm super excited about it. I actually ordered it from OfferUp, not ordered, but got it from OfferUp. I feel like a lot of people sell really nice, high quality, amazing couches secondhand. So if you guys are moving or planning on moving, I highly suggest and recommend that you guys check out like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, all of those sites and see if you can find a lot of the same pieces that you can buy in store for a little bit of a discount. We found this really nice couch. It's actually from Article and it retails for like $3,000, which is insane. I don't think I could stomach spending that much money on a couch. We found it on OfferUp for $500, which is such a good deal. I am just waiting for the girl to send me her address. We're about to head out. I'll show you my outfit. It is pretty cute. I just made my bed, so we have our lives together today. Here's the outfit, little overview, kind of an extra outfit for picking up a couch, but you guys know I don't really do much, so dressing up on the weekends is basically my only form of entertainment. I'm wearing the little arm warmer from Zara, paired a little tank top underneath. Pants are from Misguided, the split hem jeans, and then I just have on my snakeskin booties. Are we surprised? I've been switching up my bag the past couple days. I'm just wearing this padded cassette bag, just a nice pop of, you know, a different color. Very neutral outfit, but is like exactly my vibe, right up my alley. And yeah. Okay, I am popping in here to thank today's sponsor, and that is Magiclinks. Now, I'm so excited to be working with them on today's video because I have been using them for a little bit over a year now, so I know and love Magiclinks. And if you've never heard of them before, they are basically an affiliate platform that I and a bunch of other influencers who create video content use to link products and earn a little bit of a commission on any products that they share. It's super easy. Basically how it works, anytime you guys ask me, what skincare is that? What top is that? What shoes are those? I am basically able to provide a link to you that is trackable. And if you buy that skincare product, or if you buy that top or those shoes, I'm able to earn a little bit of a commission back from that purchase that you made. So you don't get charged more or less on your purchase. It's the exact same. I am able to get credit for referring you to that product, and I earn a little bit of money. So it's really great because you guys know YouTube is my side income. So I am able to save a little bit of money, but also put that money that I earn from Magiclinks back into my channel. Like I said, Magiclinks is super easy to use. I always use the Magiclinks extension. So let's say I am linking this couch. I am able to go to the exact website, click on the little extension. I'm able to get an exact link and put that either in my description box, in my Instagram bio, DM it to you guys if you ask me a question or you ask me for a link. And like I said, they're able to track and give me a little bit of commission based off of your purchase. So if you're an influencer or you're aspiring to become a YouTuber, I definitely recommend Magiclinks for your linking. You're able to make a little bit of money, but then you're also able to see what products your audience is resonating with. So I like to go in and also use the data function of Magiclinks, and I'm able to see what products you guys are clicking on, what are you more interested in, and that kind of drives what future videos I make based on what you guys are clicking on, what you guys are buying. I know to share more of that type of content and so on. So if you're a creator and you're looking to become a part of Magiclinks and start monetizing your content, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever platform you're on, I will leave a link down below in the description box where you guys can sign up. It's my personal referral link, so you guys can start earning some money through Magiclinks. So with that said, we're gonna get right back into the rest of the vlog. All right, so we got the couch. Tyler is actually in the back right now trying to fix it. He switched sides, I think, but we were driving on the freeway and it was kind of moving a little bit and shifting, and because it is a big couch, we don't want to obviously have it fall while we're driving on the freeway. So he is back there trying to fix it and just make sure that it is safe and secure. But we got the couch. Got all the cushions here. It is a little bit dirty, but what is good about this couch is you can remove the covers, like they're removable, and you could just put them in the wash them, and then I think we're also gonna get the couch like professionally cleaned, just to, you know, maybe get all of the stains out just in case they don't come out in the wash. So I think we're gonna do that. So I'm just waiting for Tyler to finish fixing the couch. I can't really see him. Oh, there he is. Is it good?
Good thing we did the second one. We would have killed somebody.
Why was it not good?
Nope.
It was like shifting, huh?
Came off.
What came off?
Big green one.
Really?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god. Is it good now?
That's fine.
Like it's secure?
Yeah, I'm still gonna try. So I tilted it back.
Yeah, I think it's better if it's tilted back rather than like standing up.
Yeah. Well, I just didn't want it to get dirty, but it might get a little dirty.
It's fine. We could just remove it and clean it.
Okay.
Oof.
Yeah.
I think I'll do that. Okay, so very exciting. I just opened my first package in the new apartment. I ordered something kind of fancy for myself just to like commemorate the fact that we are, you know, doing this new thing, fresh 2021, kind of like a nice refocus from everything that has already happened this year, which is insane. And I just wanted to treat myself because it's only been like 3 weeks and I've already just mentally been through a lot. So I wanted to treat myself, and I got this little thing from Jacquemus, which I am very excited about. I've never ordered anything designer before. I don't really buy that many designer things because one, I can't afford it, and two, I just don't want to like get into the habit of buying too much designer. Super cute. So this is the little bag it comes in, just says Jacquemus, and came with the little tag. I already took it off and I already put my key on it. So it's a little keychain that looks like this. It'll focus. There we go. It looks like the little Le Chiquito bag. If you guys have ever seen the bags from Jacquemus, they're so cute. But literally I always say the only thing that you can fit in there is your patience because they're so tiny. And they're a little bit pricey, so I was not about to buy that for myself. It's a little keychain because I thought it was cute. I could put my apartment key on there. You guys know I don't have a car or anything. I got rid of my car last year, so this is probably gonna be the only thing that's on here, like the apartment key, mail key, all of that stuff. But I thought this was like a cute, more affordable designer purchase, if you know what I mean. Like this is, I think, about like, maybe like $100, and I got it on sale. I'll have this link down below if you guys are looking for something like cute like this, if you want to treat yourself to something designer but that's not too expensive. I feel like this is the perfect little thing to gift yourself. I got it in a white color. Just, I think it's very cute. So I got that. Very excited. First package in the new apartment, and things are going good. So I'm not going to show you guys. I know you can kind of see the background. This is a little sneak peek of the kitchen. Have some wine bottles because I literally just got back from San Diego and brought that from back home. But that's a little sneak peek of the kitchen. I'm gonna do a full empty apartment tour so you guys can see what everything looks like, but I'm not gonna show you now. So we're gonna go back to the house, and I need to pack. Tyler was an angel and did a lot of the packing, which I'm so grateful for. So I don't have that much to pack, just like my skincare, which you guys know is a lot, all of my clothes, and just like things like that, like all of that stuff that I have to pack that I wanted to do myself because I want to know exactly where everything is. And you know, sometimes you just like want to be particular and pack things a certain way. So he did everything else, but I want to handle the rest of the things. So I'm gonna go back and do that. There's a lot still. You don't realize how much you have until you move. It's like you think you don't have that much, and then once you start packing it all, it's like, oh my gosh, how do I have this much crap? So I've been trying to like purge and like donate clothes that I don't need or things that like I just, you know, have not been using. So I'm trying to not bring too much because every time you move into a new space, you grow out of it, and I'm not trying to fill it all up in the first like month. So I want to be able to grow into this space, then grow out of it. You know what I mean? All right, we are back at the current place that I'm currently living at. And we just finished dinner. We literally ate it on my bed. I need to show you guys this whole situation Tyler has going on here. Like I said, he did most of the packing while I was gone, which I'm very grateful for. But my entire room is like completely disheveled and like turned upside down. So this is what we got. No more nightstands. We just have the little Zara box. All of my stuff that was under my bed is now off to the side. Have like my makeup stuff. It's not really that much different, but over here I think is the most dramatic. So my mirror is gone. The little stool that I had, the console table, everything is like pretty much gone. Nightstands. And in here, little closet room, I still have all of this to pack up. So the good thing about my clothes is they're already on racks, so I can literally just, you know, roll them into the moving truck. But everything else, like my shoes and all of that, my bags, my clothes, extra like giveaway stuff, I need to get everything in boxes and get this situated. So I'm gonna have a little bit of wine first because I feel like this is gonna like stress me out. I don't have to do everything tonight, but I do want to get like a good head start on packing all of this stuff up. So first we're gonna have some wine. Got the glasses. I'm watching a little bit of The Crown because I've been really obsessed with the show. It's on Netflix. We finished Bridgerton in like, what, like 2 days? So fast. Yeah. We finished it so fast. Drinking some leftover Justin from earlier this week. Best wine. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good stuff.
Hey, look. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in, show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display.
All right, little update on the moving. Our glass is refilled. I had to re-up on some more wine, but I made some good progress. So here I have all of the clothes and stuff that I'll be like donating. So I just have some bags here for donation pile. I cleared out all my shoes, all my clothes, all of my items that were like folded up top. I have this hat out because I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow just because we're gonna be really moving and like lifting stuff. So I just wanna have something that'll cover the bad hair. And then I have this clothing rack that I'm just gonna like literally roll out and bring downstairs. So all my clothes will stay on there for now, just because it's easier to have them hanging and then just, you know, pick them as I need. Everything cleared out for the most part. I spilled some water. It's my trash pile. In here, everything is cleared as well. I cleared everything that was on my table, on the floor. This I could just pick up and like lift and put in the moving truck. And then more boxes out here. So I have like all of the things that were in my room, my jewelry, books, coffee table books. And here I have like all my shoes, my purses, things that were in my closet room. This is just a box full of like giveaway prizes. So I like to save some items for giveaways. So I have some stuff in this box just for giveaways, so I know. A humidifier, this little like chess piece decor item that Tyler actually made fun of me that I bought, but hopefully I can find a place for it in the apartment. More decor, my ring light, I have some more purses and like folding clothes in there, so like sweats and stuff. And then in here in this box I just have 2 more of these that fit perfectly in the box. So I just said put it in there, and that way when we are in the apartment and moving it out, it's just easy all in one box, and then you can just lift it out. I think I'm gonna replace these because they're just not the vibe anymore. They're old and dingy and they're not really having like any shape, so I'm keeping it for now for transportation purposes, but I'm gonna eventually replace those. So I'm like out of breath, I don't know why. Bathroom progress. So most of the stuff I cleared out. I had like a bunch of skincare up there. I kept my face wash here because I'm obviously gonna use that tonight and tomorrow morning. And all of my skincare that was here, I cleared it out. All my plants we're gonna take tomorrow, but for now they're fine sitting there. And then here is my suitcase full of skincare. So I like to pack my skincare this way. I feel like it's the best because everything doesn't have like room to move around. When you pack it in a box, I just feel like things are gonna like get loose and like liquid stuff is gonna break, or like lotions or anything like that. So I like to pack it pretty tight so that nothing moves. And then packing it in a suitcase is just like easy transportation. You can just roll it around and you know, you don't have to actually like physically lift it. So it's a lot easier. And this is just all of my skincare. Derma E, Beauty Counter, Coola, The Ordinary, I have Tula, Hero Cosmetics, just so much skincare. I actually purged a lot, but I still have a lot of skincare because I'm obsessed. And then just back here I have some like allergy medicine, vitamins, like toiletry type items, more like face masks and stuff like that. So that is all in this little carry-on suitcase, and it fits perfectly. So once I'm done with skincare tomorrow morning, I'll pack it up and then put it in the truck.